Your Facebook page is also similar to your website itself. You can see here, you can give all the details like what are the things you are doing. Okay, you can see yes, in see more we have a photos, products, everything we can add it here. Okay, then you can create ads also in this particular page, and someone can check about what are the things you have been doing so far. Okay, someone if they comes and they would like to check some of the informations, it need to be informative, so in a about. Okay, if some nothing is displaying here, okay, he will be think that okay, this is not a genuine account, like that he will be think. For that reason we need to update the all the page information. How to update page information? We have to go to settings here. We can see here on a top we have a settings option. Okay, settings. Once you click on a settings, first thing what we have to do here, page visibility is there. Page visibility, we have to turn off the page visibility into a unpublished, because whatever the changes you have been done, that will be continuously published. For that reason, first we will make it as a unpublished. Once we have been done every optimization, then we will publish the page. Save changes. Next, additional content, I would like to do unpublish. Okay, close that one. Once you have been done unpublished, now we need to change the page settings. That is nothing but page info. Select that page info. Now we have to start give a description about a page. Why description is very important? For example, anyone searching about some of the keywords which are matching with your description in a Facebook page, then your Facebook page will be shown in a Google search also. Okay, to get it a better traffic, whenever someone searching relevant product belongs to you, then your page need to be shown in a Google. For that reason, we have to write a nice description here. Up to 255 characters, you can write a description. Write about yourself, that is as a description about your company, like our company uh, handling many, like this you have to give a nice description. Okay, once you have been given a description, one description you have been given, save changes. Okay, then category, already added a category. You like to add some more categories, you can add it here, like FMCG. Okay, like this you can add the fast food restaurant. Like this we can add the categories and we can change save changes, because these things will be taken as a keyword when someone searching for the in a here. Additional information, like about your page. Okay, so like you would like to give a brief description about a page, what are the things you are doing, everything you would like to write it. Okay, description will be short form, and this additional information like which are the product wise, you can give each product detail. Okay, like this we can use this one additional information. Then you can give the phone number. This is a optional. Okay, you can select here like India, and you can give the phone number here. Okay, and you can make it as an extension also, phone number as an extension also, or else you can say my page doesn't have a phone number. Like this you can save changes. Similarly, you can give the website here. Okay, so someone can directly visit your page through website also. Save changes. Then email address, communication email for someone looking, someone came to your page and they have been looking for some of the, they would like to communicate through email. Then which email they need to. Okay, email address we have to give. Save changes. Every time you have to do a save changes whenever you have been done any changes. Then address you can give. Address like you can directly here you can search like. Okay, then like this you can, and you can drop a location also, you can zoom in. Okay, you can zoom and exactly you can locate yourself. Okay, you can locate yourself where exactly it will highlight. Okay, where exactly you are located you can highlight that one. Like this you can highlight. Save changes, because someone coming to your page they can able to get all the information about your business. So service area like which are the area you are servicing. Okay, you can write your service area is nothing but other places where which city you are servicing. Okay, which are the other cities also you are servicing. Those details you can write it here in service area. Then always open, or you can select a date and from Monday to, like this you can select from what time to. It is similar to your Google My Business. Okay, here we can check your office visiting time. You can give the office visiting times. 9 to 5 has been selected here, Monday to Saturday, so Sunday will be closed. So we'll say save changes. You can say that temporarily closed, for example, any moment of the time. Okay, after a certain days you are going out of the cities that particular time, no one can visit your office, then you can say that uh, temporarily closed our office. Like this we can give the detail also. And more information, this product imprism, these things you can give. Okay, product offered, which are the product you have been offering. Okay, like this we can give the product or the product name you can mention. Okay, then additional information, if you have any additional information about your product, and you can give it here. Okay, all the say changes has been saved. Okay, you can check that one in a page. Okay, now if someone goes to about, okay, about your company, you can see now everything is updated. Previously it was not there, now everything has been updated. Okay, this will be helpful when someone can directly mail from here, someone can directly visit your website through here. Okay, it will give you the better appearance in your page, in the sense when you are going to whenever someone visit your page, you will be able to give all the information about your page to your page visitor. Okay, this is about how to add your basic info, adding a page informations by using a settings we have been learned. Okay, we'll do much more optimization in a next video.